A survey conducted by researchers at Stanford University shows that Koreans spend an average of 0.5 days a week working from home, the lowest among 40 countries.
미국 스탠퍼드 대학교 연구진이 재택근무 현황을 조사한 결과 한국인의 재택근무 일수가 주당 평균 0.5일로 전 세계 40개국 중 가장 적은 것으로 나타났습니다. Tell us more about this.
Yeah, so obviously a lot of people started working from home through the pandemic before, and it seems that in Korea, those people have gone back to the office, whereas in a lot of other countries, they've continued to work from home. Canadians actually logged the longest number of days at home, that at 1.9, so almost 2 days at home per week compared to Korea, which is essentially 0.5, so half a day in comparison. So Koreans spending, I guess, 4 times more time at the office than, or 4 times less time at home, I should say, than Canadians.
Yep, exactly. 자, 이번 연구 결과, 설문 결과는요, 40개국의 대졸자 16,000명을 대상으로 한 겁니다. 그래서 40개국이 그렇게 된 거고요. 그 중에서 이제 재택근무를 가장 많이 하는 나라가 캐나다로 드러났는데 일주일 중에 1.9일, 그러니까 한 이틀 정도는 재택근무를 여전히 하고 있다. 그 다음에는 영국 1.8일, 미국 1.6일. 데이터다 보니까 이게 소수점으로 나오는데요. 그렇게 쭉 이제 독일, 인도 이렇게 쭉 내려가다가 일본 0.7일, 중국 0.6일, 한국 0.5일. 제일 적네요. Half a day.
But do note at the same time that it's not just Korea when it comes to Asian countries, as Japan and China were actually very similar to Korea. So it seems to be like an Asian culture thing as opposed to
That's
just...
what they said.
Yeah, it's not just isolated as a Korean thing. It seems to be more of an East Asian thing.
맞아요. 스탠퍼드대에서 이렇게 설문조사 결과를 보면서 대체적으로 아시아 국가에서는 지금 재택근무를 많이 안 하고 있구나. 서양 국가에서는 많이 하고 있구나. 그래서 좀 문화적인 차이가 있을 수 있다. 이렇게 해석을 하고 있고요. 특히 아시아 국가들은 이제 그런 relationship, community, group, society 이런 게 중요하죠. 집단 문화가 중요한 동양에서는 지금 재택근무를 덜 하는 것 같고 서양에서는 individualism, 이런 개인주의가 또 굉장히 중요해서 아마 그런 영향이 있지 않을까 이렇게 분석을 하고 있다고 합니다.
Yeah, I've also heard that there's a lot of problems that have formed because people aren't going to work in North America. So in the downtown core, where so many people work, like it's being run over by homeless people because there's just not as many people walking around. So they're kind of taking over the area. Restaurants are closing down in those areas. So it's actually caused a lot of problems in terms of people working from home too much.
Yeah, I can see that happening. And some offices, they're sort of empty half the week.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah. All right, let's have a look at this expression here, to conduct a survey.
Yeah, when you're conducting a survey, you're just doing a survey. When you conduct anything, you're doing something, but I think it gives you the feeling that it's a little bit more organized when you're doing something. In the same sort of way, think of a conductor that is kind of leading an orchestra. You have this big organization. It has to be well organized in order for a symphony to be able to operate at its peak. And in the same sort of way, when you're conducting a research, you're not doing it haphazardly. You're kind of slapping it together. You're making sure this is well organized and well executed.
And I think those words come together. You don't often hear people say, I'm doing a survey. I mean, you could, but I think most people will always say, I'm conducting a survey.
Yes.
Yeah. Although it means I'm doing it.
Yeah, exactly.
뜻은 그냥 조사하다, 설문조사하다, 리서치하다. 그래서 conducting a study, or conducting research, conducting a survey 이렇게 표현을 하는데 의미는 그냥 do, 하다이지만 이 표현을 거의 항상 같이 써요.
It definitely has a more intellectual feel
Yeah.
when you use the word I'm conducting a survey as opposed to oh, I'm doing a survey. It's just more casual.
맞아요. 그래서 어떤 업무를 수행한다는 느낌이 있기 때문에 조금 더, 좀 공식적인 느낌 아니면은 학술적인 느낌 이런 게 있습니다. 그래서 a survey was conducted, not done. 자, 그 다음에는 우리 팬데믹 기간 동안에 나왔던 acronym 중에 WFH가 있어요. 그게 바로 이건데요. Working from home.
Exactly. And it just means that you're not going to the office, you're staying at home in order to get your work done. We also say working remotely.
Yeah.
So think of a remote control, which is something that you use back in the day. A remote control was to use to change the channel of your TV without having to go all the way to the TV to change the channel.
Yep.
That's how we did it back in the old days. But instead, you could actually do it from your sofa. So in the same sort of way, to work, you don't have to go all the way to the office.
Yeah.
You can work remotely at home. So
right.
yeah, working from home, working remotely.
Speaking of remote, a remote island is an island that's very far away from anything else, right?
Absolutely.
그래요. 자, working from home, 재택근무입니다. 또 다른 말로는 working remotely 아니면 remote work. 다시 한번 제가 읽어볼게요. A survey conducted by researchers at Stanford University shows that Koreans spend an average of 0.5 days a week working from home, the lowest among 40 countries. Let's move on.